I'm in Jamaica, washing at the river.
Paparazzi. Did it show you blow? Oh.
I'm gonna see it.
Did you blow it?
Yeah. River cooking, curry chicken in a pot there. We put on big pot, we are gonna make some dumpling now. And we have yam, dasheen and cocoa. I mean, this carry fish come a river. I don't know how she do that. Never seen nobody carry fish come a river yet. Trust me. Natasha mix up the flour, cornmeal and flour. We are gonna make some dumpling. Yeah, soon show you the pot again. Yes, the young girls washing at the river. That is what we used to do in our time. Every weekend we go to the river, wash and bathe. I'm in Jamaica, washing at the river. Where are you? You're in the washroom? This is the dryer. When you wash at the river, this is how you dry the clothes. Natural dryer. See, after the clothes them dry, them crispy now, so you just fold them up nice, pack up your bath, and then you go bathe now and play in the water. All day you play in the whole evening you play in the water after you don't wash. Me always try wash early, so me have whole heap of time to play. Isn't this wonderful? No charge, free of charge.
Nice.
Yeah, river cooking. That we say. Curry chicken and dumpling. Yes, river cooking, time to eat. We have cornmeal dumpling, yellow yam, dasheen, and curry chicken. Want some? I hope you are enjoying this video. So please remember now, like the video, subscribe to the channel for much more fun videos. It's terrible time. Man, I brought this with me to the river. I didn't eat it, but I'm gonna eat it now.
This gift has a square, and this is a gift for you. Because you're my friend, and I care about you. Giving makes my heart feel so happy. Here's your gift.
This is June plum. They're tiny, but they're still June plum.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna enjoy these with salt. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like June plums. Here we have the authentic Jamaican breakfast. Salt mackerel with banana, yellow yam, dumpling, and a piece of pumpkin. And the country style to wash it down. When me little, you know, my mother share dinner, if she ever put susumba in my plate, I pure cry, me a cry. But after a while, me start to eat susumba, you know. It have a bitter taste, and now me find out that susumba is a good blood food. A girl in Africa did some research on it because she was anemic, and she had a thriving business out of a susumba product that she make to help her with her anemia. Really works. You man see the mango them here? I always go to Jamaica when the mango them green. I don't know brother if I salt me salt or bad lucky me bad lucky. I saw the mango them stay every time I go to Jamaica. I never go in the yellow. Right, mango don't like me at all. So that rooster there, I him run things at the yard, you know, brother. Listen to him now. When him call, you know, I'll pull it off and run. Alright, Tasha, ready to cook up some curry goat now? Yeah, man, because me tell the funeral day, me be able to taste the goat, brother. So we are going to cook some now and eat up. So you know we have to burn the curry and then we add in the meat. Meat season up and everything still, but you don't know.
This is the real
See
goat
that?
meat, not the
Goat a bubble
what you
there.
call it, the deer. This is not the
Seasoning a cut up, nice up the pot. Yeah, and we have some barefoot rice cooking at this pot here, so no, cause you don't know, say, when you eat curry, eat better with white rice. Well, the pot land now. Curry goat in a plate, they pretty up with cucumber and tomato. Yeah man, good food I fi eat. I have to eat them up before me left yard. Real goat. And this is the sweetest time of year when the rain a fall. When you run a boat in the man and the rain a fall, how sweet, sir? Thank you all for watching. See you in my next one.